Hi, my name's Haley and I'm the Children's Specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thanks for joining me for our very last February break craft. We're making butterfly rings. Let's get started. This craft, you will need 2 long pipe cleaners and a short black pipe cleaner and scissors. First step is to line up your 2 long pipe cleaners and twist them a little bit in the center, in the middle there. So I'm going to line them up. Twist them just a few times. All right, and once you've done that, make it into a little bit of a ring shape. That's where your finger is going to go to make the ring. So put your finger in the middle. Make sure that both pipe cleaners are the same length on either side. So those look about center. And then you're going to twist the center. Twist them together. Be careful, if you twist too much, the ring will be too tight. So twist a couple times. All right, pretty happy with that. Then you're going to take the 4 pipe cleaner ends and spread them out evenly. So you want the same colors to be next to each other. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and once you've done that, you're going to pick which color you want to be the top and which color you want to be the bottom. Once you've decided which color you want to be the top and which color you want to be the bottom, trim the bottom. So take the ring off of your finger, line these 2 up, and we're going to trim a little less than an inch here. So I'm going to take my scissors and trim. All right. Once you've done that, we're going to pinch the ends and roll them toward the center. So I'm going to pinch the end here and then roll it toward the center to make a spiral shape. Do the same thing with the other 3. The last step is to take your black pipe cleaner and thread it through the ring and wrap it up through the top of your butterfly here. Keep it a little bit loose so that you can see the butterfly body. And then you're going to twist to secure it. And then you want to trim the antenna here. So trim it just a bit. Careful with this, you can have a parent help. And then the last part is to twist the antenna just a little bit. All right, and there you go. There's your butterfly ring. Slip that back on the finger that you measured with. Ta-da! Nice job. All right, I hope you had as much fun as I did making your butterfly ring. Nice work. Make sure to come into the Tewksbury Public Library and show me or Miss Cat how you did. We're excited to see your creations. Remember to follow us here on YouTube by hitting subscribe, and on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. I hope to see you next month and enjoy the rest of your break. Bye!